We're having burgers today.
I'm nervous. Ooh, it's juicy.
We're not moving to Miami Beach, we're moving to the Philippines.
Alright guys, as I'm sure you can tell, we are no longer in Asia. We are back in Miami, back to good habits, back to doing fitness all day. But there are still many reminiscences of Filipino food in our head. And one of the things I just can't let go of is you guys were commenting on the Jollibee video that we have to try the Aloha burger. So I decided today I'm going to reconstruct the Aloha burger and make the best Aloha burger I possibly can make. And then I will have friends here in Miami actually taste the Aloha burger and see how it turns out. And while we're at it, we're gonna show you a little bit of our beautiful home here in Miami Beach, so you get a feel of what it's like living in Miami Beach, showing you the vibe, showing you the beach, showing you just the lifestyle in general. Also in the next few weeks, I'm gonna be trying to make a few of the Filipino dishes that we tried in Manila. I want to try and take everything I learned in the Philippines and apply it to my own cuisine here at home and see what amazing dishes I can come up with. So for now, let's finish this run, then we're gonna go shopping and then we'll start to prepare that Aloha burger. Let's go. So there are a few ingredients that we need for this burger. So we're heading over to Publix to do some shopping and get some groceries. So we're heading over to Publix to get some groceries and then we will start with the preparation. So we're ready to throw the meat on the barbecue, but I wanted to introduce you to our two friends from Miami. Hey guys.
Hello.
Say hello to the community.
What's up, YouTube?
So why don't you introduce yourself? Who are you? What do you do?
I'm Vicky. I'm a fellow YouTuber.
What's your
Just
full
like
name though?
Mike, Vicky Justice. But it's mostly like fitness and lifestyle, and this is my Instagram husband.
I'm the Instagram husband. I'm Johnny.
You guys have like two channels, right? So one's the fitness channel, which is Vicky Justice.
Yeah.
And the ottle one is Bottle of Wine for Two.
Bottle of Wine for Two, which we have not uploaded in forever, and we have so much footage to upload. We have to do it.
Nice. So these guys are going to be my guinea pigs for today to try the Filipino Aloha burger, the Jollibee original.
With some pineapples.
With some pineapples.
I'll take the pineapples, I don't need the meat.
But first we have to see if we get some gas for our grillers. That's the only problem we have right now.
Yeah.
So here we have our beef patties, which I freshly made today. We have some provolone cheese, we've got the pineapple, and we've got some delicious potato buns. And I made my own honey mustard sauce for this burger. So it should be very close to the Jollibee Aloha burger, which look pretty good on pictures. Let's see if I can make a good burger, because usually my burgers look completely different, but I'm going to try my best. But what do you guys say to this stunning view we have here? So this is what we call home. This is the pool area at our building with the barbecues outside, which is really nice. By the way, that is downtown Miami that you can see on the horizon back there.
Prepare to embark upon the darkest voyage into the unknown in the history of mankind.
So the way this burger is supposed to work, I just assume that's what JOLLIBEE had in mind, is you have the tartness and the slight spice of the honey mustard, then you've got the meatiness from the beef patty, and then you've got sweetness to cut through the tartness of the honey mustard with the pineapple. And just being that it's grilled, it's charred pineapple, so it's got a little bit more of a caramelized flavor instead of just the fruity sweetness. So just ties the whole thing together, hopefully. So yeah, I think
Bon voyage.
we're ready to head over there. Just in time.
Oof, how about that corn? Burgers on burgers on burgers. That's sunset. This is where you guys should be visiting Miami.
Did you catch that?
All right, Vicky's gonna try the burger first.
Going in.
Going in.
I'm nervous.
Oh, it's juicy. Here's a plate.
Very good.
Is it good? You like it?
Yeah, it's super good. It's not that sweet. The pineapple just gives it like a. It's very interesting. It's freaking good. Oh my
Is it good? You like it?
Man.
Because it's getting cold.
Alright guys. I love like fruits on salty.
Yeah, isn't it a Cuban thing?
You like it?
We're not moving to Miami Beach, we're moving to the Philippines.
Miami,
Fucking good.
Yeah. So it smells really good. I love the barbecue touch. I'm really glad we came out here to do it on the barbecue grill. Pineapple is actually not that sweet, but it gives it a very nice twist. So delicious. Yum.
If you've watched any of my videos before, you know I'm a huge burger snob. So I was very skeptical when I heard about the Aloha burger, but you talked me into trying it, so I made it. And let's dig in and see what this burger has to offer. It's not sweet.
No. I was expecting it to be very sweet. That's why
This
I was
is
like,
very-
I'm very nervous to try it.
This is one tasty burger.
Yeah.
I'm glad we took the potato buns because they just kind of pair nicely with the sweetness.
Yeah.
Good that we use provolone cheese, but the cheddar would have been overpowering the
Overwhelming.
pineapple. Yeah, you could have used a little bit more sauce. Alright guys, I'm sorry it's a little bit windy, I'm out on the balcony. I hope you enjoyed this food vlog. If you did, let me know down below. And if there's any other Filipino food that I have to try and reproduce here at home in Miami, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and thank you for all the support that you guys have been giving us in the past few months. We were so excited to reach 25,000 subscribers on this channel. So keep that love coming. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye. Oh yeah, guys, you know, just another day on the job.
Prepare to embark upon the darkest voyage into the unknown in the history of mankind.